Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about goal server-side tracking. So the idea is the following, is that some of your visitors may totally block, in fact, Matomo on their browser, and you would like to measure the goals anyway. And for this, so you cannot use the JavaScript, but you can always use the log, so to say import logs data. How it's gonna work? The idea is the following: is that we are gonna take a website. So in my case, that's one of my personal website that I can find. Anyway, I'm gonna create a path. So that's that's the website I would like to measure. So just the fact that I'm landing on this page, I'm getting a log recorded. And in fact, my wish is to measure this interaction as a goal. So in order to do so, and thanks to Ronaldo for helping me here, what I can do is that I can add and unclick on this specific URL email. So what's going to happen is that it's going to fire a page with a parameter named action equal clicked email. And in fact, this is thanks to this request, which is going to be generated, that I will know that someone has clicked on this given email and the intent to contact me. So it will result, in fact, on the logs as something like this. Whoops, okay, over here. As you can see here, I'm getting a log action with the interaction actions clicked email. So as a result, if on the other side I went on my Matomo, so it's over here, and that I created a goal specifically for this interaction, what's gonna happen is that I can get my goal backfill. So goal clicked email. So I created it over here. It's when the page contain action equal clicked email, and now all I need to do, if I can double check, so we are on January the 17th. Now I can in fact fire my request, so import log, import within my Matomo instance, within ID site number 15, my token, log format are OVH, recorders 8, and in fact I want to import the file that I was showing you some seconds ago. So blah blah blah, we got some request imported, so let's see if it worked out. This requests worked out, so that's the one that I was describing. So people met this given requests, and we are good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.